And that is what I call a solid connection. Now we're just gonna do the same things to the positive side. Once it cools, provides a pretty solid connection. You can see the solder has started to spread inside, so it does a really good job. I think this is probably the most cost-effective way to solder these wires without having to go through that whole process with the needle and the solder and all that weird shit. You know, I don't like that kind of stuff. It takes a lot of time. This makes things really simple, really easy, and really clean.